Question 231. What tools or methodologies do you prefer for measuring team engagement in a collective leadership framework? I prefer using a combination of quantitative and qualitative tools to measure team engagement in a collective leadership framework. Surveys using platforms like SurveyMonkey or Qualtrics allow for anonymous feedback on engagement levels and satisfaction. I also incorporate pulse surveys to track engagement trends over time. Qualitative methods, such as focus groups and one-on-one interviews, provide deeper insights into team sentiments. Additionally, I employ engagement metrics from tools like Office Vibe to assess real-time team dynamics. This comprehensive approach enables me to pinpoint areas for improvement and implement targeted interventions to enhance overall engagement. Question 232. Discuss your experience in implementing CCD practices in a collective leadership context. Implementing CCD practices in a collective leadership context involves fostering a collaborative approach to software development. I emphasize the importance of cross-functional teams working together to build, test, and deploy code continuously. By leveraging tools like Jenkins or GitLab C, I ensure that all team members understand the CI/CD pipeline and their roles within it. Regular deployment cycles encourage feedback from all stakeholders, allowing for quick iterations based on user input. I also promote a culture of shared ownership and accountability, where team members feel responsible for the quality and performance of the code, leading to improved outcomes and innovation. Question 233. How do you assess cultural fit when integrating collective leadership initiatives in diverse teams? Assessing cultural fit when integrating collective leadership initiatives involves evaluating alignment between organizational values and team dynamics. I conduct cultural assessments using tools like the Organizational Culture Inventory, OCI, to identify existing norms and behaviors. During team workshops, I facilitate discussions around shared values and expectations, encouraging openness to diverse perspectives. Additionally, I promote initiatives that celebrate cultural diversity, such as team-building activities that highlight different backgrounds. By aligning collective leadership practices with the team's cultural context, I create a more inclusive environment that enhances collaboration and fosters mutual respect. Question 234. What role does technology play in supporting collective leadership and collaboration among teams? Technology plays a crucial role in supporting collective leadership and collaboration by providing platforms that facilitate communication, project management, and knowledge sharing. Tools like Microsoft Teams or Zoom enable real-time connectivity, fostering discussions regardless of location. Project management software such as Asana or Jira helps teams visualize workflows and track progress collaboratively. Additionally, cloud storage solutions like Google Drive or SharePoint allow for seamless sharing and co-editing of documents. By leveraging these technologies, I create an environment that encourages transparency, enhances collaboration, and empowers team members to contribute more effectively. Question 235. Can you describe a time you used data analytics to improve collective leadership outcomes? In a recent project, I utilized data analytics to assess team performance and identify areas for improvement in collective leadership outcomes. I implemented a survey to gather quantitative metrics on team collaboration, engagement, and decision-making effectiveness. Analyzing this data revealed a correlation between communication gaps and project delays. I presented these findings to the leadership team, advocating for targeted interventions such as enhanced communication training and regular check-ins. By tracking the impact of these changes through follow-up surveys, we observed a marked improvement in both team morale and project timelines, demonstrating the power of data-driven insights in enhancing collective leadership. Question 236. How do you customize collective leadership training programs to suit different organizational contexts? Customizing collective leadership training programs requires an in-depth understanding of the organization's culture, goals, and challenges. I begin with a thorough needs assessment, including surveys and interviews with key stakeholders to identify specific areas for development. Based on this feedback, I tailor the training content to address unique organizational challenges, utilizing relevant case studies and examples. I also incorporate varied training formats, such as workshops, webinars, and one-on-one coaching, to accommodate different learning styles. Continuous feedback during the training process allows for real-time adjustments, ensuring the program remains relevant and effectively meets the organization's needs. Question 237. Explain the significance of psychological safety in collective leadership and how you foster it within teams. Psychological safety is vital in collective leadership, as it enables team members to express their ideas and concerns without fear of judgment. To foster psychological safety, I create an environment of trust by modeling vulnerability and encouraging open dialogue. I implement regular check-ins where team members can share thoughts and feelings. Additionally, I facilitate training on active listening and empathy to help team members engage with one another constructively. By recognizing and celebrating contributions, even when mistakes occur, I reinforce a culture of learning and support, which ultimately enhances collaboration and innovation within the team. Question 238. What strategies do you use to promote accountability in teams practicing collective leadership? Promoting accountability in collective leadership involves establishing clear expectations and shared ownership of outcomes. I start by co-creating team agreements that outline roles, responsibilities, and performance metrics. Regular progress reviews and check-ins cultivate a sense of shared responsibility, allowing team members to discuss challenges openly. I also implement tools like accountability partners or peer reviews to foster mutual support and constructive feedback. Recognizing and celebrating individual and team achievements reinforces a culture of accountability. By ensuring that everyone feels responsible for both successes and setbacks, I create a motivated team committed to collective goals. Question 239. What frameworks do you recommend for implementing collective leadership in an organization, and how do they differ in approach? I recommend frameworks like holacracy, sociocracy, and agile leadership. Holacracy emphasizes self-management and decentralized authority, while sociocracy promotes consent-based decision-making. Agile leadership focuses on adaptive, team-centric approaches. The choice depends on the organization's structure, culture, and specific goals, ensuring alignment and engagement across teams. Question 240. How can continuous integration and continuous deployment, CCD, enhance collective leadership practices? CCD facilitates faster feedback loops within teams, fostering a culture of collaboration and shared ownership. By automating deployment processes, teams can quickly iterate on their contributions, encouraging collective accountability. This approach helps break down silos, enhancing communication and ensuring that all team members are aligned toward common objectives. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.